Kohen Gadol Ebenezer and Kapon Niama, the founder of Yehuda, that Mishkan Church, that's Judah Religion Tabernacle Church, and a gospel legend musician speaking. Now, our message is at the moment. The message, Masuddin say, which command is the most important? Emrabena a year most important. If Yampa Yampai Bononianpa, according to Matthew chapter 22, verses 34 to 40. Now, what can Kanya was say? But when the Pharisees had heard that he had put the Sadducees to silence, it was say, Abra Pharisee for Efunu say, Pharisee Ninefunu say, yet the Sadducees for Naya, and I say, the Jewish laws for no rabbis for no. Yama woman, Emia woman, on what quotation was say, they were gathered together, was say, now woman in Ababishim, according to verses 35, no say. Then one of them, which was a lawyer, asked him a question. It was say, Omumu Bakon, our yes, a lawyer, Jewish rabbi, I would think when Yankupon Yawa said yes, for a rabbi, Yemsi Aseta, a come rabbi, the Jewish leaders were Womuti when Yankupon Yawa, a ransom to ye. It was say, Omumu Bakon, Ebuta, Yeshua Hamasiah question. What was say, tempting him and saying, was say, Asemna na woba Bebutan, not what is the son of Ashe. Now, what can say, according to verses 36, no say, Master, which is the great commandment in the law? It is a honor for Yeshua HaMashiach. Question say, oh, Yeshua HaMashiach, it is a ransom mupena, a yet important. It is what quotation is verses 35, verse 37, or say, Yeshua said unto him, it is a honor Yeshua HaMashiach, Ebua, the Jewish lawyer, no essay, what was say, thou shalt love the Lord thy Elohim with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. It was say, Emransama, a yet the great, and I said the greatest commandment, and in the say, Obedo, Unyanko Yahweh, every Wakume Munina, Wakurana, Wajinina, and Wajina, Wahmoking with your mind, in the same way, Deuteronomy chapter 6, verses 5, yes, it was what quotation into verses 38 or say, this is the first and great commandment. It was see when I get the first and the great commandment are a word Bible name. According to verses 39 or say, and the second is like unto it. It was see the also you know so essay. What was or say, thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. It is the first commandment, yet the greatest commandment, to love Yahweh, your Elohim, and to love your neighbor as yourself. And then the two great commandments, another two great commands, yes, it's according to verses 14 or say, on these two commandments hang on all the law and the prophets. It's one of say, those two, another these two commandments, and hanging all the laws and the prophets. Into all the laws, and ransom and what Bible, a good baku 613. It is that 613 laws, we have do and done. It is your bachelor say, Emransem, 613 laws, you say, and you say, it is our Bible name from Genesis to Deuteronomy, yes, now, 613 laws, and your body, the 10 commandments, it is 613 laws, you not the 10 commandments, 10 commandments, according to Exodus chapter 20, verses 1 at the airport. And I have the two great commandments, you have 10 commandments, every the two great commandments in him. It's the two great commandments, and it's not Emma all the commandments. It's not say the important, and I said the great command, and I said the greatest commandment in the Bible, is to love your neighbor as yourself and love Yahweh. If you say, Emransem, Exodus chapter 20, verses 1, from law 1 to law 10, law 1 to law 4, between man and Yahweh. And let's say you love Yahweh your Elohim. And from law 5 to law 10, it's between man and man. And also let's say you love your neighbor as yourself. It's in Ransamna, law 5 to law 10, and let's say, Odo Yonko Ese. If it's Odo Yonko say one, Unko Ria Yonko de, Odo Yonko say one, Unko Bob is your mind, Odo Yonko say one, Unko di Adam Supremo, is the Odo Yonko say one, and it's a woody when Yanko Ponya will ransom so. And I would do when Yanko Ponya will swap. Umfa Nidin and your rough, Punyana Mifu Gera Yede and Canon. Obekai, Nehomeda, Saturday, now they are there, apart so they. Verses 14 or say, on these two commandments hang on all the law and the prophets. In so say, these two commands, and all the 613 laws and the 10 commandments and all the prophets, no, then ejina so. Love is to do what? Is to obey the law. Although any say you be the so, and then the two great commands, and I said the greatest commands in the Bible. The greatest commands are love your neighbor as yourself and love Yahweh. No, and on say ye don't unyankopon Yahweh near do a young one, and on say ransom no enye juma. For don't say what him ransom no be day. Ebe ye ejuma said ye fall day eka ye no. Ebusiafo yante afiesa me the besti aha say a word to the wife is enough. Wo abehwe video ya no wa share na afoforo so enya onyankopon Yahweh assembly. Afi so me the enyum bebre abofa ba out. Pepper the obe check enyum ni nyina e wo all social media platforms so no streaming no wa share na afoforo so ehun onyankopon Yahweh assembly efa enyum no so eso yante afiesa afi so matemi ankasa masore asore ne din di yefuta that miscanted. Yefuta that miskano in Hebrew. In English, it becomes Judah Religion Tabernacle. Yesum Saturday, Yente Asiesa, Iti Busiafo, Medamasi, Makramo. Bye bye. Shalom.